Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. It's Friday, June 3rd, and we've already taken 3 trades this morning. Excuse me. We've had 2 winning trades and 1 loser in oil and gold, crude oil and gold. Quite a volatile move in the market with the unemployment report, and then we got filled on this one here. We hit our support level. That's what we do, is show you support and resistance. And we've been going with the 15 tick stop lately. So, and I have to stress that these videos, are for demonstration purposes only. What you're going to do with your individual trading, is up to you. But this is a demonstration video, and if you really want to see what we do, your best bet is to come into the live calls room. You'll see that these are actual calls that we make daily. We're not manufacturing these specifically for the video. These are the numbers that we use in our personal accounts, and that we use in the room. These are the numbers that we call out in the room. This was the support level that we called out in the room. As this market was moving up, we were calling out support numbers, and this is one of them. I came back down to it, hit the number, and we took a couple ticks of heat. I think we took we're going to take a little more heat here. And we got within a couple ticks here, and some of you, there we got filled on this one. And it's up to you, like if you get 7 or 8, you may want to lock in, move your stop up, lock in. That's up to you as an individual. What you do with your personal trading, but we usually go for 10 ticks, and that's to get us into a no-lose situation. And then what I'll do is I'll move my stop up to make it a little bit more better. And I think you got to see here. Take a look. We hit our price already. So, we hit that target of 100 even and didn't get filled. So you can decide. What now comes the case of you decide what you wanted to do. And in this case, we hit that target, didn't get filled. I probably would have, moved my stop up to at least break even, or at least lock in, because we hit lock in some of the profit because we hit the target that we're going. But this is, like I said, this is for demonstration purposes, so we'll show you what could happen. So we reach a level that we think is a good level to shoot for, and if it doesn't fill, then you got to decide what you want to do. And this just shows you, like, you sacrificed 20 ticks on this one if you don't do anything with your stop. So I think the thing that I get out of it, or I'd like you guys to get out of it, is that the trading is extremely difficult, and you want to give it time to move. I should have written a script for this. You want to give it time to move, but you never know, and so, like, why give money back when you don't have to? I guess that's the point that I want to get across, especially to new traders or beginning traders. And that shows you don't want to move too quickly, but you want to lock in, because you when you get stopped out, it's going to drain your account. So you want to do as much as you can to be as profitable on every trade as possible. I guess that's my sermon for today. Here's another shot. Like I said, we were calling support levels all the way up. When oil took a big drop with the unemployment report and then came back up. We also got dinged on a resistance level. We thought it would meet some resistance, and it didn't. It blew right through it. But now we're calling the support levels. We called the support levels all the way. And this one was called plenty early enough for everyone to assess it themselves. And we got within a tick of it. And if it moves up too much, we'll cancel it and wait for the next one. We get enough every day. Like I said, we went 9 for 11 yesterday. there's plenty, and then there's other markets that we can look at that we can go even more so. So we're back down to 1 or 2 ticks away. We'll see if we're going to get filled on this thing now. There we did. Okay. All right. So we're filled, and again we're looking for 10 and 20, and I got to get that changed because I'm going with the 15 tick stop. The main reason being that we need some opportunities, that we let go as the markets get more volatile. You'd like to have as tight a stop as possible, but you also want to have as many winning trades as possible. So it's a double-edged sword, and I know it kills you. If you add on 2 contracts, that's 10 ticks. When you get stopped out, and and the people that understand the methodology understand why we go with the bigger stops. Sometimes the stops could even be bigger than that, and then it becomes a personal decision as to whether or not you want to take the trade. And I think the thing that we don't know for sure, just as we don't know which ones are going to run a long ways, we don't know which ones are going to come down and turn right at the number. The last one, it turned within 3 ticks of our number. This one took a little more heat. It took about 10 ticks of heat. So I'm glad we had the bigger stop. There we just got filled on that one. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so like I said, if you put that together now, we're 4 for 5 today, and getting about ready to call it a day. And it's pretty early. Like you can see, it's only like 11 o'clock. And I think that's another thing you have to learn as to be a successful trader is to, I don't know what the right thing is, but to try and set yourself a daily goal. and hopefully you reach that before you have a daily limit, and the daily limit can be what you're willing to risk on each individual day. So and have a daily goal that you shoot for, and then have a daily limit, and just think about it, and a lot comes down to the individual person, and I talk about this a lot, but whatever system you're going to do, I was just reading again Mark Douglas's book, and the Disciplined Trader and Trading in the Zone, and a disciplined trader with a mediocre system will do better than a slipshod trader with an exceptional system. So we think we have an exceptional system, and if you can be a disciplined trader, I think if you put the two together, you have an excellent opportunity. And the markets aren't easy. The markets are very tough. And I was talking to somebody, about, I do a lot of sports analogies, and I look at it like, I'm in the Seattle area, and we've got the reigning Cy Young Award winner here, and but if he hangs a curveball, he's going against major league hitters. They're going to put him out of the park. So you just can't make any mistakes, like we did on that last one. Where I showed you on that last one, by not taking advantage of the fact that it hit our target. It hit our target. We should have looked at going out at the market, or at least moving our stop up to lock in some profit or break even or whatever. We gave away. It's not allowed 4 ticks, but we gave it away when we didn't have to give it away. I don't know. I guess I'm getting preachy today. I can only show, so much on these videos, and so much depends on, your attitude and how you're going to approach trading. It's a difficult thing. I love it, but it's and I love talking in the room too, and I love talking on these videos. But it is one of the hardest things. Well, it's the hardest thing I've ever done. I got to say that, without a doubt. There, same type of thing here. It looks like we just came within a tick of our price, and we haven't quite filled it yet. Just within a tick. So, what do? Do you lock in? Do you move that stop to break even or better? These are the tough decisions that you have to make, and it's the pennies and nickels and dimes that can make a difference between you being successful or not being successful, and they were one tick away. Seems to be the story of my life. And it's especially tough in a market like this that is so volatile. It's an extremely volatile market. And it's also tough because the real aggressive trader is going for that swing high up there. You're going for another 30 ticks above this. I don't know if we'll get there or not, but that's what the aggressive trader would be going for. So anyway, it's I probably should just be quiet. Probably giving you enough to think about. But these are also, I guess cathartic for me. Give me a chance to pause and think about it. And like I said, these are strictly for demonstration purposes. View them as, and really the best thing to do is to come into the live room. We've got a free, there we go, it's filled. We've got a free live day, 5-day trial. You're welcome to come in and see that these are the exact actual calls that we take live and we make every day in our room. So, I hope you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, get in touch with me or get in touch with Mario. Hey, we look forward to working with you, and thanks, and have a great weekend.